I don't understand. Hey, hey, baby, I'm sorry. Baby. Hey, baby.
So, I told you to lodge and wait for me that I'm coming, and you are here with a guy. I don't understand.
Baby, we are not friends though. He's an old friend.
An old friend?
Yes.
No problem. Oh shit! I don't want anything to come in between us. I don't want anything to spoil our relationship. Understand? This is a new relationship. So, I will be waiting for you downstairs. So just finish with him, then call me. When you are done, call me. Old friend, last time, after this one, I don't want to see you with her again. Just finish. No, just don't worry. Finish up. No, it's okay now. Am I angry? Finish up now. Old friend, bad guy. Yeah!
Hey.
Yeah!
If I
Sorry, sir.
Yeah.
Are you checking out?
I'm checking out. I'm leaving.
Okay, sir. Your bill. Let me.
Okay, no. You post it to my room.
Okay.
My woman will pay.
Okay,
Don't
she's
worry.
still there.
Here, she will
Alright,
pay.
alright.
You're a nice guy.
Thank you,
You're
sir.
a nice guy.
Thank you, sir.
How much is your Hennessy here?
It's 90,000 for one.
90,000. Okay, take one for yourself. Add it to the bill now. Take one for yourself.
Sir, one for me.
Don't worry.
Thank you, sir. That cool. God bless
For
you, sir.
90,000.
God bless you, sir.
Okay, take two. Take two. Yeah,
Two, sir. Sir. God bless you, sir. God bless you, sir. God bless you, sir. You live long.
You like
Thank
that
you,
for
sir.
90,000.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
180,000.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, don't round it up to 200,000. Put it to
God
the bill.
bless you, sir.
Take some.
God bless you. Thank you, sir.
Put
I
it to the
will
bill.
just collect the money. I will
Go
not
to
take
my
it.
room. She will pay. Don't worry.
You just surprised me. Okay, sir. Your bill.
Bro, I like this your native.
Thank you.
Where did you get it from?
From P Clothings.
Big clothing.
Yeah.
Nice. No, don't worry. Post his bill to my room. I like your native.
Okay, to your room, Abi.
Yes.
Yes.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah, no problem.
But I lodged for a week, so that's probably about 800,000.
840.
840. Oh,
Don't worry. Just post it to my room. Nice native.
People are good though.
Very
Thanks, bro.
good.
I really
Nice
appreciate it.
native.
Thank you
nice
very much.
native.
Your kind is rare. Very rare. So generous.
Leader.
Young man, how are you?
Fine, let me be carry water go the room.
What's wrong with you? Come on, go outside. You are begging
No,
customers.
stop that. Don't shout at him. He's human like you.
I'm sorry, sir.
Why will you shout at him? He that watereth shall be watered.
Isaiah 48:12.
Good. Give him 100,000 there.
Chamu, thank you.
No. Please don't do that. I'm not cut out for that.
We are going
Give him
now.
100,000. Let me sign the bill.
Yes,
How much
sir.
is the total? Let me sign and leave here now.
Total is 1.7.
Alright, let me sign.
Sign.
Take it to my.
Okay.
Take POS here.
Mastercard.
She's my girlfriend actually, not my wife, but
Okay.
she's with my card here.
Alright,
Yeah?
sir. But sir, you would have waited so that she will confirm.
Oh, so I should be waiting.
Oh, I'm sorry, my helper. Sorry, sir.
Alright, you guys should take care.
Alright,
Give
sir.
him
Thank
one.
you.
Don't remove
Thank you.
anything.
Safe, sir.
Yeah.
Safe journey.
I go pay for my own.
You say?
My own.
Come on for here. Man, feel confirm now.
Oh, Chamu.
Good men.
What are you thinking here? You not go. Come in.
Madam, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Madam, let me thank your girl. I'm a very nice man.
I don't understand.
Oga just bless all of us for the reception. Share money give us. God will bless you. So, madam, this is the bill. Oga say I give you. He don't sign am, he can't approve am.
He's supposed to pay now. Why didn't he pay? Where is he?
Oga don't come out after he bless us.
Oh shit!
So this is the bill, madam. 1.7 million.
1.7 million.
Yeah!
Hey. What did he buy? How much is your room? Hey. You're the man. Hey.
1.7 million for quickie. Baba, rain don't beat who dey rain.